My name is Tyrone and you're watching RoyalT Empire Education. RoyalT Empire Education focuses on educating people about stocks based on our experience. We have gathered key information and made it simple for you to learn and apply those things in real life. Trying to research all this data in the vast internet can take you a lot of time, and we know that time is money. So here in RoyalT Empire Education, we have gathered all the data and organized it for you to save time. With less time required to scramble through the internet, you can have more time to use the information you learn and apply those things in real life. We have a motto in RoyalT Empire Education, and our motto is less learning, more experience is the key. Value is to put you in a position to give you more time so you can chase your dreams without being in debt. Thank you for watching RoyalT Empire Education, and we will be releasing a new video every week. Hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more. And if you have any questions, comment down below and I'll gladly answer them for you.